What's up, everybody? I'm here to give you guys an update today, considering a lot of you guys have been asking what's going on with the Whistlin diesel F350 rebuild, and it's been a couple months. So I didn't want you guys to think I was just putting it off or anything, but there really hasn't been much done to the truck considering all the wait times on parts and all the one-off stuff that Kevin's doing. But we're going to be able to show you a couple things today just to get an idea. He is going to be getting the truck done before Daytona truck meet, so these next 5-6 weeks are going to be very hectic, and you guys are going to be able to really see what you've been waiting to see, the lift, wheels and tires and all that. But since I talked to Kevin last, I believe he did a couple things. I believe the truck was painted. The means nothing to me is now gone. The big exhaust off the back is off, and I believe he was doing a couple things on the interior. But we're gonna get over there, show you guys where he's at the moment, but we're gonna have tons and tons of updates coming soon within the next month or so. So stay tuned. Make sure to check out some merch, justinfio.com. Also follow my Instagram, justin_fio. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get over there. Back here with Kevin at Retro Customs, checking out the Whistlin diesel truck. Here you guys can see it. I know it's been a couple months now. There's been a lot of wait time on parts and things like that, but within the next 6 weeks before Daytona, this truck will be completely done. So I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to see what's going on. Not much has changed at the moment, but Kevin's gonna be letting you guys know what the plan is, and everything's gonna really start to come together within the next 6 weeks before Daytona. So I'll let Kevin talk a little bit about what the plan is and how everything's gonna work, but we're gonna bring you guys step by step, and for everyone waiting, the time really is now. So week by week, we should have some updates for you.
What's going on, guys? So a little change of plans. As you can see, we got a EKT 55-inch tractor tires on it. Unfortunately, we're waiting on motors to come in. We're not sure if they're gonna arrive. So we decided to get these instead and go even bigger. But like as you can see, we got the truck repainted. Flatbed is currently still getting made. So we ended up chopping the frame a little bit. We got rid of about 18-20 inches because obviously the flatbed's going to be custom and going to go on here. Working on the interior today, trying to get the sound system back in. We got the new floor, diamond stitch floor on. Getting all the interior pieces back together, consoles back in, seats back in. We're doing all new weather strippings on the windows, because those are just covered in dirt. Getting the door panels back in, all the painted pieces back on with the new tan color.
But you guys could see some of the trim and whatnot. This color looks sweet.
Also, shout out to Horn Blasters. Was able to get us a bunch of parts.
That's a lot of boxes.
Let's see how many horns we can fit on the truck.
It's gonna be freaking insane.
So we got a new amp rack from MTI Audio Mobile Toys, and we're working on that right now, trying to clean up all the wiring because everything was a mess underneath the seat when we got it back. So we're cleaning it all up to put it all behind the seat. Then we'll get the rear seat back in, door panels back on, a couple other special things we're doing with the door handles.
But the plan is obviously before Daytona, correct?
Yeah, so the cab is getting lifted. We're raising the cab next week. That's when we'll start mocking up the new lift on the frame, because the lift showed up, and then get it off the powder coat, and then go from there.
So kind of that list of within the next 6 weeks, you got the flatbed, the lift, wheels and tires. Is there anything else besides piecing everything together, or will that be pretty much ready to go by then?
We're waiting on the wheels to get back from powder coat. That's really it.
And for everybody that, you know, there's been some time that's been going on, but for all these companies and one-offs and everything, like obviously gotta understand, like these things are taking, like there's
yeah, it's hard to get a lot of parts right now. Even for our own customers, things are
on back order and
being delayed.
But just wanted to show you guys a little update. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to see like what's going on, where is it, and this is kind of where it is. So just wanted to be able to at least show you guys it and know within these next 6 weeks that we're gonna have some updates. You're gonna see this cab coming off, the lift going on, and it's gonna start getting serious. So hope you guys are excited, and this is where we're at the moment. So in the midst of working on the Whistlin truck, he's also building this pretty crazy OBS, if you want to give us a little bit of input on this too, because this will be done before Daytona as well.
Yeah, so we bought this like 4 years ago. Bought it 4 years ago, and we literally never drove it on the road. Brought it back home, and it's literally just been a 4-year project that we kind of kept putting off because we've been so busy. But we're going to try to get it to Daytona this year. So I just got back from paint now, and now we're just trying to button some things up and get some odds and ends finished up. Bumpers painted, mirrors painted.
It is a 7.3, correct?
Yeah, it's 7.3, yep.
And if you could give away the details, like on sizing of lift, wheels, and tires, you're going to keep that a little bit of a...
So it's about I'd say it's around a 16-inch lift. Partial PMF lift and partial RYD lift with the bag kit in the rear. The helper bags. Full gooseneck install. We gotta still take the bed back off and finish some stuff with the fueling. And reroute some of the shock hoses and everything like that.
This thing looks sweet though. But I mean, also for anybody watching, you know, Kevin does run a business. He's got multiple builds he's trying to put together, so there's a lot on the plate over here. It's hard to get to everything, especially with back and forth between everything and delay on parts, but I want to show you guys a couple other things. So within the booth you're gonna have the Whistlin truck done.
Yeah, the Whistlin, the OBS side by side, and then probably a brand new dually Duramax and Jeep, a diesel Jeep.
That would be sweet. I don't think you guys ever seen the side by side yet, but
yeah, so we're gonna get this thing going too. We gotta get some coilovers, change an axle out. As you can see, we blew an axle out. But yeah, we should have that there as well.
And what exactly is this?
This is a 2021 Defender Limited Max. 6-inch portals, powder coated wheels, fully AC'd.
That's sweet. Completely enclosed cab then, huh?
Yeah. Snorkel.
This is nuts. So these will be the wheels going on the OBS. But you guys can see here some specialties. 30 by 16 on a 42 1650 30. Massive. And they even got the floaters. That's badass. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're all excited to see the big transformation that's going to be going on within the Whistlin truck in the next 6 weeks. Going to be tons of content, lots to look forward to. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, turn the bell for notifications. For everyone watching, stay safe and have a good day. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.